So it's holiday season. I want to just jump in because I'm sure there are a lot of people who want to know how you celebrate and what you do. So go ahead and tell me, how does Carla Hall celebrate?
So this year, I am celebrating in Nashville, Tennessee, which is where I'm from. But before that, my husband is coming to New York. We're going to kind of do a New York Christmas-esque, and they're air quotes that I'm putting up. He is going to come up to New York. We are going to do the Rockettes. We're going to do the Lion King. We're going to just walk around and see the windows. I am prepared to walk around with people who are here solely for the windows, the tree. I am going to be bustling shoulder to shoulder with everybody who is from everywhere else in the world. And, hot chocolate, chestnuts, all of that New York thing. And then we're going to go to Nashville. And for Christmas Day, for the first time, we aren't going to have the same dinner, celebratory dinner that we usually have. We're doing a brunch. We're doing a Christmas brunch.
Now, does the family push you to do the cooking because you are a fairly well-known chef?
Yes, they do, and I'm okay with that.
So what is their favorite? But do you ever does anybody ever say to Carla, I don't like this?
My sister. My sister always says, you know what I would really like to have. I mean, your sister I'm not a celebrity to my family members. I am a person who cooks and likes to cook, so they use me as free labor. So first of all, you're never a celebrity in your own family. My sister always says, I want a lot of vegetables because she has high cholesterol, which I don't want to hear about, honestly, at the holidays. I'm like,
she should get over it.
Is this one meal going to disrupt your life? If this one meal disrupts your life, I understand if you are celiac and you are afraid of seafood and you're going to go into some kind of epileptic shock.
Yeah.
I understand that. But honestly, if it's one day, if this is going to disrupt you on this one day, you haven't been doing the other 364 days correctly. I'm just saying.
But sometimes I feel like there is there's like a whole sense of ceremony to the holiday, and you have to be nice to everybody. You can't fight with everybody.
Yeah.
Is that? Sometimes I feel it's overrated. I know the listeners are probably going to say, "What?"
No, you know what? I really get into it. I'd
like to fight with somebody and get into a big food fight, but nobody lets me.
Well, for me, it was the holidays of 2005 when one of my friends sort of went off the rails, and we're all sitting there like, wow, okay, that happened. So I got that out of the way, the drama for the holidays,
Hold on, but what did she do?
She just started going around the table and basically reading everybody and telling them what they were doing wrong in their lives.
She's been watching The Real Housewives.
Honestly, it was.
She was in the mood.
We were like, okay, it was interesting, but I think I really like to celebrate. The older I get, I really like to celebrate the closeness and the camaraderie of the family and just sit around and just enjoy us being together, because so often we're so busy that I don't get to see my family, especially I'm busy. So I was that way when I was younger. I'm not that way now. And I think it's an age thing.